Hello friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we are learning how to add a permanent cut button on your Samsung keyboard. Okay. Before that, you must install GoodLock application from Galaxy Store. You can see here. Then open GoodLock application. Then install plugin called Key Cafe. Then open it. Then you can simply turn on this option, make your own keyboard. Just enable this. Then go to that. Then you can simply create unlimited keyboards. Here you can see my keyboard. Then go to edit section. Then you can select this one, this measuring tool, like this. Okay. Then you can simply add those kind of settings like select all, cut, copy, paste, and other buttons. Okay. And you can see here, this is my keyboard. And you can simply press this to select all, then simply press this to cut and paste. So it's very useful. Okay guys, that's very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.